Next we are going to discuss about the calcium ion channel blockers. The synthesis of synthesis of 4-aminopyridine. See, for the synthesis of 4-aminopyridine, this is a pyridine. This is a 4-aminopyridine structure is NH2. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4-aminopyridine. And see, to synthesis of this 4-aminopyridine, first, if we convert this, if it upon the pyridine reaction, upon pyridine, if you are doing the nitration reaction, nitro group will be added here. But after formation of nitro group, if you are doing the reduction, you will get the nitro product. But electrophilic reactions, there is a NO3. In pyridine, electrophilic substitution reactions are taking place at a position of third position. But we need what? Nitro group will be on the fourth position. Because why this electrophilic substitution is taking place at the third position? By seeing the resonance structures of this nitrogen here. There is a lone pair present on the nitrogen in pyridine will not participate in the resonance, and it will be what? It will be pull the electrons to the side. And here what? The positive charge will be formed here. The next, another structure of this one. First, what is the resonance form? Minus, this is the first position, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here what? The second resonance form of will be positive charge. The next resonance structure will be positive charge here. This is okay. By seeing the resonance structures, the electron deficiency is taking place at positions of 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And electron deficiency is at 2, 4, 6 position. Means it can be here at second and 4th and 6th position. The nucleophiles will be easily attached. That is also we know there is a what? Important reaction, that is a Chichibabin reaction. The nucleophilic substitution is taking place at the second positions. Means the electrophile, this is what? As the electron deficiency is less, means the electron density is more at the third and fifth positions. Means the electrophilic reactions are taking place at the third and fifth positions. If it directly we do the nitration reaction, the nitro group will be added at a third position. That is no use, because we need the fourth position. The nitro group will be added. That's from that, by doing the reduction, we will get the amine group. So what we have to do? First, we have to take the pyridine, first treated with, instead of direct reacting with the nitration reaction, first we are treated with the MCPBA. This is what? Metachlorobenzoic acid. If we are treated with this one, forming the an oxide will be formed by treating with MCPBA, metachloroperbenzoic acid, first producing the N oxide. After the formation of N oxide, then you are treating with the nitration mixture HNO3, then H2SO4 by the reaction of nitration. Now the resonance is possible from this here. At the fourth position, the electron density is more now. That's why easily the nitro group will be added at the fourth position. That's why producing the NO2. Instead of writing, directly I'm writing the structure. Then this one treated with PCl3 by the loss of this one treated with PCl3 minus of POCl3 producing NO2. Now this one treated with now palladium carbon minus of H2. Nitro will be converting into NH2. The 4-amino pyridine is formed. Now, estrogen receptors. Those receptors which are activated by the hormone estrogen are called estrogen receptors. Estrogen is a primary sexual hormone in a male. The structure of estrogen will be the methyl angular methyl group. This is the hydrogen. This is the hydrogen. This is the structure of estrogen. Now we are discussing about the structural formula of tamoxifen. Structural formula of tamoxifen. The structure of tamoxifen is ethyl, benzene, another benzene ring, O CH2 of NMe2. This is the structure of tamoxifen. It is used for the treatment of breast cancer. Okay, with this is the second unit, that is the drugs acting on receptors and ion channels is completed. Thank you.